Okay, here I am unboxing these super nice taillights from Amazon. Wow, that's nice. You can see here the packaging. So I've gone ahead and opened this up. I'm gonna take this out. And you can see here the tail light. That looks nice. Let's see if I can get some good detail on that camera. Here it is. Nice. And that's for the inner tail light. Let's go ahead and get the outer ones out. Now, I love the packaging on this. It's very high quality. It makes it feel like a very premium product. Whew, okay, here they are. Let's see which one is the matches to this. Yep, this one probably, hopefully. Let's take her out. Okay, outside of that foam thing, now we gotta open this up. Yada yada, the usual stuff. Okay. Yeah, that is beautiful, man. Just beautiful. You can see the reflector right here, the red reflector, your tail lights, turn signal, and the reflector. That is a wow. Okay, let's try to get another close-up real quick. Very similar to the inner tail light that I showed you earlier. And here are the plugs. And for this one, you have to reuse the old wiring from your 07-09 Toyota Camry. So I don't have an 07-09 Camry. I have a 2011. The wiring in that car is even from the 07-09s. So I'm gonna have to jerry-rig a little something here. I have a few ideas for that. And yeah, I'm hoping to... Well, I have a few ideas. We'll see how it goes. Got some parts, I got a plan, and I got the will and determination to make it happen. So yeah, let's see. Let's get a shot of these side by side together. Right there, just like that. Beautiful. Okay. Very nice. Alright, here it is. Here is a shot of the taillights together side by side. 2 running lights, turn signal, reverse lights, and 3 red reflectors here. 1, 2, 3. And then this nice little housing right here, as you can see. This nice little black part here. It's looks kind of semi-gloss to me. But it might also be a trick of the clear housing, the clear lens on top of that. But yeah, these look nice. I like it. Alright.